So, guys, I'm trying an AI. See, the name says Ando AI Copilot for Designers. So, I want to give it this prompt. So, I want to see what it is going to design for me. It is, yeah. So, we'll see what it's going to design for us. وعد الله الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات منهم مغفرة وأجرا عظيما. Let's see. I'm so expectant, trying to see what it's going to give. Now I'm looking for onboarding screens. Oh shit. Let's see. This is an onboarding screen, guys. What's this? Hey, ah, I said onboarding screen. No, what's this? Ah, hey, ó ti dojú ẹ̀ báyọ̀. Ó dojú ẹ̀ báyọ̀. Like, guys, I can't even make sense out of this. Okay, we're going to try something else. Maybe it can't do up on the screen. Maybe it's just too much. I even set for images. You put them on one another. So what can I edit here? I don't understand. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try another prompt. Let's look at this process. What option is this? Move background, lab. Okay, let's see. Continue with Google registration. Create a UI design where users can use continue with Google button to sign up and log. Let's do this. والذين معه أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينهم تراهم ركعا سجدا يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا سيماهم في وجوههم من أثر السجود ذلك مثلهم في التوراة. Let's see. What is this? It tried to. ومثلهم في الإنجيل كزرع أخرج شطأه فآزره فاستغلظ فاستوى على سوقه يعجب الزراع ليغيظ بهم الكفار وعد الله الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات. Alright, guys, that's it. That's the review. So, okay, let me change something. I think I was telling you to do four. Maybe I don't know. But same prompt, but we'll say one. Add size small. Render that. تراهم ركعا سجدا So see what it has rendered for us. It doesn't what it is.